When did we decide that technology was the one hard thing that we were allowed to quit? Because I remember growing up watching people figure things out. If something broke, they tried to fix it. If they didn't know how, they learned. If something needed to be built, they built it. Not because it saved money or because it was trendy, but because giving up on figuring it out felt worse than struggling through it. That instinct used to be normal. So what changed? Because I don't think we suddenly became less capable. I think we stopped recognizing what grit looks like. I hear people say all the time, I'm just not good with technology. My brain doesn't work that way. And every time I hear it, I think, since when? Because our generation has learned some incredibly difficult things. We learned new jobs. We figured life out without tutorials. So why does opening a new piece of software suddenly convince us that we've reached our limit? And I couldn't stop thinking about it. And eventually, I think I found an answer. I don't think technology is what scares us. I think being a beginner does. Most of us built our identities around being the person who has it together, the dependable one, the experienced one, the one people ask for help. Then one day you open YouTube Studio or ChatGPT or whatever new technology you're trying to learn, and suddenly you don't know what any of the buttons do. You pause the tutorial every 10 seconds. You rewind it. You accidentally click the wrong thing and you wonder how everyone else seems to understand it so quickly. That feeling is uncomfortable, really uncomfortable. But I don't think it's proof that you're bad at technology. I think it's something else. A year ago, I didn't know how to edit a video or how to make a thumbnail. I didn't know how AI worked, and I definitely didn't know how to create digital products. Honestly, I didn't even know where to begin. Every new thing felt like another reminder of everything I didn't know. But somewhere in the middle of all that, I realized something. Learning technology at 55 with a tutorial paused every 10 seconds is the exact same act as the people I grew up watching fix things they had never fixed before. It isn't a smaller version of grit just because it happens on a screen instead of a garage. The tools changed. The willingness didn't. Think about that for a second. The person rebuilding an engine and the person learning editing software are both saying the same thing. I don't know how to do this yet, but I'm going to find out. That's grit. We just stopped calling it that. Because today it doesn't look like sweat or dirty hands. It doesn't look like carrying heavy things. Sometimes it looks like just sitting in front of a laptop, clicking the wrong button, starting over and feeling foolish. Foolish doesn't look very impressive, but it costs exactly what grit has always cost. Your comfort, for a while. I think that's why some people keep growing and other people quietly convince themselves that they're not tech people. It isn't talent or intelligence. It's not age. It's the willingness to be uncomfortable long enough to become someone new. I remember catching myself thinking, I should be better at this by now. But better than what? I've never done this before. Why would I already know? The moment I stopped expecting myself to already understand everything, something interesting happened. Learning became lighter, not easy, still frustrating and still confusing. I still got stuck, but it also became kind of fun because every little thing that finally clicked felt like solving a puzzle. I paid that entrance fee, one video at a time, one thumbnail at a time, one confusing screen at a time, one mistake, one upload at a time. And eventually, I realized I wasn't becoming a techie person. I was becoming the same kind of person I grew up admiring. Someone willing to figure things out. I just didn't have a name for it before. Maybe that's what we've forgotten. Not how to work hard or how to learn, but maybe we've simply stopped recognizing what courage looks like now. Sometimes courage picks up a hammer. Sometimes it opens a laptop. Sometimes it presses record. Sometimes it asks a question that feels embarrassing. It's still courage, it just looks different. So maybe the question isn't, am I good with technology? Maybe the better question is, am I still willing to be a beginner? Because I have a feeling the willingness comes back the second you stop expecting yourself to already know. And if that's true, There are a whole lot of things waiting for us on the other side of that first uncomfortable hour. I'm curious, what's one piece of technology you've been putting off learning because it feels overwhelming? Tell me in the comments, because I have a feeling you're not the only one. And maybe reading someone else's answer will be the little push another person needed to keep figuring it out. I'll see you in the next one.